Alright, the next thing I'm going to do actually is get rid of this pink shirt. It doesn't really match the black that everybody else is wearing and such. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a selection of it. So I hit W for the magic wand, and I want actually the quick selection tool. So I go Shift W and it takes us to the next one. So you notice over here there's two magic wands. So the quick selection tool right here. I'm going to also zoom on in, use the space bar to get the hand and pull that over. And here we go, back to the wand and select. And not too bad. Gonna add in a little bit more here. And whoops, back up on that and make this a little smaller. Nope, not letting me do that, so I'm undoing that by going Command Z. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to add to the selection using the lasso tool. Okay, so I hit L for the lasso tool right here. And I hold down the Option key. See the minus sign that appears right there? The subtraction sign. So I'm subtracting this part of the selection right there. And now I want to add this part of the selection. I hold down the Shift key. And there we go. So, just looking to see, oh, there's a little bit more in there that I missed. I'm being very picky right now. There is. Okay, I think I've got it all. Great. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Layer and New Adjustment. And, whoop, nope, here it is down here. And Hue Saturation. Click on that and name Hue Saturation 1. Sure, that's fine. We're going to say OK. Awesome. Now, if you want to change the color on this, all you need to do is change the sliders. By the way, if you don't have this window, you can just double click on this guy, and then you have to click on this here. So to get into the actual properties, and we will make some adjustments here. And I think what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to darken this. I'm going to go way down here. So there we go. So it's still got a little bit of color in it, and we'll play around with the saturation a bit. And I'm going to see here how I can add all the different colors and that kind of thing. And see, I'm going to try to go for black. There we go. I'm bringing it down. Got a black shirt here, and a little bit later I'm going to add bring the contrast down a bit, or play around with the contrast anyway, just to kind of add a little bit more texture to the shirt and that kind of thing. But I think that that'll do fine for now. Okay, there it is. If I zoom on out, see, there we go. Not too bad. So if I want to arrange these characters in the middle of my poster, I'll go Command T, and I'm going to move this over here kind of like that, and hit return. And you will notice if I just click on this right here, all it does is it just picks the person underneath. Watch, look, that's kind of weird. Wow. Okay, so hit escape. So I need to actually link these together. This is the mask right here that's going over the hue saturation mask that goes with that. So I'm just going to hold down the Shift key and put so I have both of these selected. Control click or right click and link the layers together. Okay, so now if I pick that, I can move it around. Command T. Lets me do that. Maybe make him a little smaller.